Hey everybody, it's Shakira. Welcome back to Glow Beauty Wellness here on YouTube. I am looking for my girls, women, girls that and guys that like a deal. You want to be healthy, but you want a deal. Run, don't walk to the Canoly website and grab yourself this Canoly C16 and use my discount code for 15% off. It's listed for like $200. Once you're done with your discount, it's going to be $170. Okay, so let's get into the details. They were nice enough to send me this juicer and to do a review and do a few recipes and see what it's talking about. And so I have a juicer. Not only are we, we're doing a budget friendly juicer review, and we're doing a budget friendly juice. We got some apples. We got 8 apples, and we're gonna end up doing 4 cucumbers. Okay, this is not gonna cost you a lot, as well as like a thumb of ginger or 2. Okay, not gonna cost you a lot. I jumped at the opportunity to review this for my channel because not everybody wants to spend 4, 5, 6, 7, however much. The juicers are ridiculous. The prices are ridiculous. So why not try a lower priced one and see what it's talking about? So I wanted to try this specifically. It looks like my more expensive juicer, the Kuvings 10. It's just smaller. It's more petite. It has literally all of the compartments, I feel, except for the strainer. It's small. The Kuvings does not come with a strainer, so I love that it came with a strainer, and I love that it has like a little a holder, like you can pick it up easily and move it around in your home. It's lighter than the Kuvings, but sturdy, so it's not like just a piece of crap that you'll be knocking around and things like that. It comes with a sorbet attachment, and it also comes with the cleaner. There was one thing I wanted to show you. Now, the obvious is, it appears to be a smaller hopper. I'm going to leave all the specs down in the description below, so that way you can compare to other juicers that are similar. But the Kuvings does have a bigger hopper. I mean, it's a bigger machine at any rate. But the bigger problem, like, what is the crunching sound? And I'm always going to keep it real. I mean, I was going in on Kuvings for, it backs up and dries out when we're doing celery, whether I chop it up finely or not, as well as the ginger. Like, I take all of the steps, but I still just have issues with that. As well, the last time I juiced apples, not this time, but the time before last, it started backing up, and I clean my juicers really well. So girl, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. But at the end of the day, the only issue that I found with today's juicing experiment was that sound. What is that? This is the mesh strainer that strains the juice before it goes through the strainer, before it goes into the cup, if that makes sense. So I showed you the juice yield, and so I figured, let me go ahead and pull the Kuvings out and see what it's talking about, see how it compares, right? Because this is I was talking to my husband about this, and I was saying, oh yeah, it's a $600 juicer. He was like, what? I said, I paid $700. It is listed for like $6.99 on Amazon. So, for it to have as many issues as it does, it's like, I'm obviously not happy about it. So I don't know. It's like we have to pick and choose our battles. But for the ones out there that are like, hey, I got to get my juice on, so I'm gonna rock with the Canoly. I've been thinking about rocking with the Canoly. I have the discount code for you, 15% off, right? And as of right now, it's working great. I just got it. I'm going to be making several videos because just like the Kuvings, you got to give it time. But I've watched other reviews on the Canoly as well, and they all seem to be good for a budget friendly juicer. So in the Kuvings, just to compare and contrast, I did everything the same except I added lemon to this batch. And because there is no strainer attachment, at least for me, I don't know if this is something that you can buy on the website. I just use my strainer, and it's fine. It's, it is what it is. And what I found is that the juice yield was very similar, like literally I couldn't feel what the mason jars are, what they are. And this is the picture for the Kuvings, and then you saw the picture for the Canoly. Similar. And then the mason jar, you know, I couldn't fill them up all the way without it like overflowing. But this was the result. So I have two, I believe these are like 16 ounce. No, I think it's more, maybe 24 ounces, full of delicious juice. Juice quality, they taste the same, pretty much the same ingredients. Only the Kuvings one had had 1 lemon, and the yield was pretty similar. So I hope this helps you on your journey to glowing and being beautiful and getting well.